Red tiger wakes up with a yawn and stretches his paws and greets the dawn. He runs and jumps through a field so wide with a happy roar and a smile so wide. Stretch arms up high like red tiger waking up. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. 5 big tigers just for you. Roar, 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 and clap your paws. Learning colors with no pause. Learning colors with no pause. Orange tiger loves to play, rolling in leaves all through the day. He tumbles, giggles, turns around, his stripes go swish without a sound. Spin in a circle like orange tiger. Red, red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. 5 big tigers just for you. Dance and jump, come sing with me. Learning colors, 1, 2, 3. Learning colors, 1, 2, 3. Yellow tiger shines so bright, he sparkles like the morning light. He waves his tail and starts to cheer. Come on, friends, the sun is here. Wave hands in the air like sunshine. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. 5 big tigers just for you. Roar and smile, the sun is high. Let's all shout a big hi. Let's all shout a big hi. Green tiger hides behind a tree, quiet as can be. Then he jumps out with a roar so loud, and all his friends laugh in a crowd. Hide your face, then pop out with a roar. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. 5 big tigers just for you. Peek-a-boo, come out and play. Learning colors every day. Learning colors every day. Green tiger loves the water clear. He splashes around with a happy cheer. He jumps and swims, he flips his tail and rides